Come test drive the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.